So I visited Fuerteventura, and this is the hotel I stayed in, the Barcelo Corralejo Sands, and I'm guessing you're watching this video because you're also considering this hotel. So the goal of today's video is I'm going to show you basically the room I stayed in. Make sure you stick around to the end of the video because I actually moved rooms and I moved into a second room, so this video will show you both rooms that I stayed in. Here is the walk to the hotel room. The check-in process was very smooth and everyone was very friendly on reception. This is the walk to the room. I stayed in room 2113, so from reception. So let's check out the room. So here is room 2113. Now, first impressions is the room is very clean. It has a nice orange and white cream kind of decoration here. There are some beach towels. This was a double room, by the way, so they gave some beach towels there. And the size of the room is quite good. It's a very good size. And there's also an armchair there for you to sit on, a very comfortable bed, and there is like a desk kind of station there on the side as well. And that has the coffee, the tea, the coffee, the kettle. There's a lamp there as well. A very nice touch here is the welcome message, which they had here, just introducing me to the hotel and wishing me a good stay. They also gave a box of Lindt chocolates as well, which was a nice touch. And yeah, so here is the kettle, there's a lamp there. There's some direct USB ports there. And yeah, very nice laminate flooring. Generally the room seemed very clean. There was actually a window there between the bathroom and the bedroom, but it was covered with this orange vinyl. Yeah, and we have a side table with a phone. There's a pad of paper and a pencil. The bed itself was very comfortable. I believe it was two beds which were pushed together, but the sheets covered both of the beds, but there wasn't an issue where they were separating in the middle of the night or anything. That was totally fine. And then they gave two beach towels there as well. Another side table on the side. I'm just going to show you the view outside. In this room there isn't really much of a view, to be honest. It's just a wall that was there, but just to show you the kind of patio area. There's a table and two chairs, and there's a walkway there. It's on the other side. It's not near where the pool is. Shortly I'll just show you what the view is like there in the morning, because it's nighttime now. But we have an AC system here, which was quite easy to control. And this is the vents where the hot or cold air will come through. And then we have a mini fridge with 2 bottles of complimentary water. And there's a variety of storage drawers here, so 2 drawers here, and then we have the full wardrobe here as well, which has a bunch of hangers in there, and there's also a safe and some instructions if you want to launder your clothes as well. And here's the bathroom. So again, spacious size, plenty of space here. I'm not feeling cramped when I'm in here. There is a toilet. There's a kind of shaving mirror, if that's what it's called. The doors into the bathroom are sliding doors. And complimentary hand lotion, complimentary hand wash. And there were 2 towels there for me to use. And they also gave a vanity kit, and they gave 2 toothbrushes as well. And a hairdryer. To be honest, this was very handy having the hairdryer just ready there on the side. It wasn't plugged away in a drawer, so that was nice. And then they have some conditioner, some body wash or shampoo, and this was the shower. so plenty of space there. This is the view outside from the room in the morning. I kind of took this video because it was a bit brighter. So yeah, there's not really much of a view here, just a table and 2 chairs. The good thing was it was sun facing, so there was a lot of sun coming in, which was nice. So I had a bit of an injury, so I asked if I could maybe move to a room which was a bit closer to reception. So they agreed and they gave me a different room. So here's the walk from reception. And this was the second room. So I stayed in the first room for about a day and then just moved to this room, which was a bit closer. So I'll show you this room as well. It's more or less the same thing here, but I'll just show it you. So we have wardrobes here. This was room 1111, by the way. And there's a safe there, plenty of hangers. Again, a mini fridge and some more drawers. And yeah, pretty much the same. So here is the shower. There's another window connecting to where the bedroom is there. You can't open that window, but it's covered with some vinyl. Yeah, so pretty much identical really. In hindsight, I kind of wish I stayed in the first room, because in that patio area, the sun was reaching it a lot more, whereas in this room on the patio, even though you could see the swimming pool, there wasn't really much sun coming in. It was kind of in the shade. Whereas in the first room on the patio, the sun was shining directly on the patio most of the time. So that was the only downside of this room, but at least it was a little bit closer for me to walk to. Yeah, so this was the second room. I'd be interested to know which one you would pick. Would you pick the first room or the second room? This is the view from the balcony area. And there's a very nice view of the pool here. This was very nice at night time to be just sat there. And a lot of people were, you know, sat on their balconies in the evenings because of the nice weather and the nice view here. But yeah, that's everything for today's video. If you are considering this hotel, then I think it's a great hotel. Leave a comment of your thoughts in the comment section below. If you have any questions about this hotel, then ask in the comment section below and I'll do my best to get back to you. But thank you very much for watching.